let's hope for a more calm week than what we had this past week. Hello everyone, I'm Julie. Welcome back to another Plan With Me. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of January 18th through January 24th in my MakseLife vertical planner. Let's take kind of a peek at last week. If you follow me over on Instagram, then you will know that things have been a little interesting at my household. This is what we're looking at so far. Honestly, I haven't touched my planner the second half of the week, as you can tell. So we had a little bit of sickness in my house and one family member with COVID and just everyone else trying to not catch it, which is really hard when you all live under the same roof. So we're still dealing with that. There's some things that I might go ahead and like backfill in here. I did really use the bottom part for some gratitude, which was nice. And I think I might do that again for this coming week. So I actually sat down last night and did some pre-planning, which I didn't do last week, and it's kind of helpful for this week because last week and this week are just not going to go as usual. I am quarantining for the 14 days, so this work week I will actually be working from home, but I'm also not working every day, so it's definitely a different week for me. So here is what I picked for this week, and honestly I was like, okay, so the inauguration is this week. I didn't really have anything very patriotic, but I have been dying to use this kit from Chrissy Designs, and I actually have two of one of the sheets because I wasn't even thinking when she had her Black Friday sale and she brought back all of her like $2 Tuesdays, and I accidentally ordered two of these, which I'm actually going to need, so that's totally okay. And then the other stickers that I have are from Capital Chic Designs. One of these I ordered recently and the other one I've already kind of used before during election week. But I also have her Biden-Harris sticker sheet right here. They are just so pretty, and I'm glad that I set them aside and remembered to use them for this week. So I'm also going to use that on Wednesday. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This kit does come with some date covers, so I definitely want to use those. But I need to figure out exactly where. Have I used the Chrissy Designs kit yet this year? I thought I did, but oh, it had the strip date covers. I don't think the other ones had the individual ones, so I kind of need to see how these are going to fit. They'll fit okay. I actually just have to move them up a little bit, but it allows me to still see like the holidays and important events on there, which is really cool. So let's start with Monday. Now it's just a matter of getting them straight. And let me put the date on Monday because I will forget the date. So I feel like this side is a lot higher, but this side seemed okay because at least you could see the holidays and like the inauguration day on there. I mean, the dates are covered, so I guess that's what really matters. And let's see, I think on the bottom I'm going to put the washi. I know that this washi doesn't exactly cover the whole box down on the bottom, but at least it's not shaded anymore in the MakseLife, which was kind of a pain before if you didn't have washi that covered the whole thing. But this will work. I think I'm still going to use it for maybe meals down on this part. I haven't quite decided yet, but I knew that I wanted to use the washi on the bottom. And I love this kit. I love how like neutral it is. There were some other color variations and this was the only one that I got, but now I'm kind of kicking myself for not getting some of the other ones, especially at the great price point of $2. Like that is just amazing. All right, so that is down. All right, let's start on, I think I want to start just on Monday. I have a lot of things that are going to be the same throughout the week, which is kind of why I'm glad that I have one of these sheets extra. So for videos this week, and I'm hoping that Friday's video will go as planned, but I'm sure that you guys have seen this, but Chrissy Designs is launching the new Celebrations collection, and I am extremely honored to be part of her launch team. So that video should go up on Friday. if things work out with the mail. Let's be real, it hasn't been very consistent, but it is what it is. So I'm going to use these regular quarter boxes here to mark the videos for the week, and then just kind of do like tasks that are the same in similar stickers, if that makes sense. Okay, and so the next thing that I want to do is actually mark the days off and then the days that I'm working from home, which is essentially the whole week. So I had originally taken off the day of the inauguration, one, because I just wanted to be able to watch it freely, and I know that it's like an all-day kind of event thing. And then a few weeks later, I actually scheduled a podcast for that day, a podcast interview that I'm going to be a part of. So it kind of worked out that I have that day off anyway. So I do want to mark off the days that I have off and then the days that I am working from home, which hopefully the work from home situation ends this week. I am like off my planner game. I had grabbed the wrong binder. So I have 3 days working from home and then 2 days off. And I want to use the same fonts, and I think I have, yep, those from Planner Kate. I love her script stickers. Okay, so I think we're going to use the skinnier event label for those. It's kind of cool how Kristen's stickers, like if you were to go in order of how they are in the sheet and then the order of the days, like they match. I don't know. She's truly, truly a sticker scientist and wizard. Like she just somehow makes it all work. Like you're not even intentionally trying to match the stickers to the columns, and they do. So that is awesome. Okay, one more. Although this one's like solid and that one's not, but it's fine. But I just thought that was really cool as I was putting them down. I was like, wow, I'm not even trying to match them. So, okay, back on track. Monday is a day off. Tuesday is a work from home day. Wednesday is a day off. Thursday is a work from home day. And Friday is a work from home day. Whoops. And honestly, last week, I have worked from home a few afternoons here and there, but never like full days. And it was truly an adjustment. I was like, I don't know if I actually like this, because a lot of my job is putting up these reports and things like that. And I'm constantly waiting on other people for information. It was not fun. All right, so and I forgot to mention what pens I'm using. So if I'm writing on the stickers, I'm using this Uni Pin pen. It is an oil-based marker that I got from Cloth and Paper. It is also available on jet pens, but this works very much like a Sharpie permanent marker, and it works on your vinyl stickers. And then if I'm writing on paper this week, which I have a feeling I won't have to at all, of course I'm going to use my absolute favorite, the Sharpie S Gel in 0.7. I don't want to forget that I have this sheet because there's a lot of cute like doodles and stuff on it. So on Monday, even though I am off, I actually do have a meeting scheduled. So I'm just going to, I don't think I'm going to write on it just yet because I don't know the exact time. I will definitely find out, that is for sure. So I'm just going to put it right in the middle of the day, sort of. And then moving on to work meetings, what I think I'll do is on my meetings for Tuesday and Thursday, I'll use these solid half boxes. And luckily for me, no one has wanted to have these team meetings on Microsoft Teams. It's all been by phone, thank God, because I have not been in the mood to deal with Microsoft Teams. I don't know if you guys are using that where you work or if you're using it for school, but for us, it's like one technical difficulty after another. It is not fun at all. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is, since I have an extra of these half boxes with the animal print on it, I'm going to use one for the podcast. It's actually quite early, but I'm putting it below everything else just because I think it'll look better, to be quite honest. All right, so I'm going to put it kind of in the same spot. It's actually at like 7:30 in the morning, which I was fine with. I'm an early riser anyway, so it wasn't a big deal to get up early, and at least with a podcast, I don't really have to worry about how I look, so I don't have to get dressed or anything. All right, so there is that. Now for the inauguration, since we're kind of on this level of doing things right here on the page, I'm just going to use, I lost my stickers already. Are we surprised? I'm just gonna actually like put it like right in the middle. I don't know, is there a set time for it? Uh-oh, let's see. These are thick. These are so nice. They're almost like a vinyl sticker, so if you wanted to put them on something, that would be really cool. All right, there we go. So it's gonna kind of go into both days. Let me move this here. I think that that'll work right there. We'll just move this little flag out of the way, and then I want like the inauguration in there as well. I'm just gonna have to move some of these things out of the way. Okay, so I made the mistake of not looking up at my viewfinder and my battery died, so I'm not exactly sure where I left off, but I did get my inauguration stickers down. They are fairly thick, so it's going to leave a bump on the page, but luckily the page behind it is just my like weekly actions for my goals, so it should be okay. All right, let's get to Monday and Tuesday evening. I do want to do obviously some editing. I have to finish editing on Tuesday the vlog that's going to go up on Wednesday, and I don't think I have any neutral workout stickers, so we're going to just use the extra half boxes that I have for the week because I think that that'll work out fine. Actually, what I might do are these labels right here, because then I can kind of put like a check mark for the workout. I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it, but I think that that'll work as well. So I think I'm just going to go with, yeah, we'll use these for the workout. All right, so I think that these will work. I kind of completely fell off of my goals this week as far as for working out, but that's completely understandable given, you know, what's been going on in our household. So I kind of just want to kind of dust myself off and get back into it, because honestly it was feeling great, even just the small workouts that I was doing. I have like a yoga mat area kind of set up in our living room downstairs, and I've really been enjoying just getting done what I could in that space. All right, so there is that. And then for the editing on Saturday, or I've lost track of what days it is, Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to grab, I still have the Jen Plans font stickers from Planner Kate, my goodness, from Chrissy Designs. I want to get more though, because I kind of wish that I had like full sheets of just the larger one instead of the smaller one, because I feel like this looks better on a half box. I mean, that's just me. I like the balance of this, the size of the word to the size of the sticker I'm putting it on, if that makes sense. And I will always fight with these stickers. That is very clear. That one, and then I'll grab the other one from this sheet. There are those two, and then we can get, as I lose both of them off of my hand, but we can get Tuesday and Thursday done, and I'm gonna use these half boxes. I just love half boxes. I don't know what it is. I love them. I kind of want to use this darker one. Let's see, we'll put this one here, and I'm not putting everything right at the bottom there because I want to give myself to use that space how I want to. Whether it's for meals or just writing in a line of gratitude, which with the stressful week that we had, that was actually really nice to do. I don't write down what I'm grateful for often enough. All right, so there is most of the first half. Kayla's isolation will actually end on Thursday, and we wanted to get that put down because it's been a week, you guys. It's been tough. So I think we're gonna let's use one of the animal print ones. It's kind of hard to see when you write on those, the ones that are heavily patterned like that, but it'll be okay. And I'm gonna have to put it a little bit further up because of the sticker on Wednesday. There we go. Not bad at all. Okay, so we've gotten through the first half of the week. All right, let's get some of this other stuff out of the way. So on Friday, I actually have another meeting, except I don't actually know if I'll be able to attend this one, but I'm going to put it down because we'll see. We will see how that one goes with work. I can call into it maybe, but I don't think that there's a way for me to do like the Microsoft Teams for that one. All right, and that's kind of mostly it for Friday, with the exception of we do have our usual movie night planned for Friday. I do want to get that put in. All right, and then for Saturday, all I really have planned so far for Saturday, because we're not going anywhere, we're all under quarantine, is just meal planning and placing our grocery order. Luckily this morning, it is Sunday when I'm filming this, I was actually able to order our groceries for delivery later on this afternoon. So hopefully that's still the case for next weekend, because we feel like that's the safest way possible to get groceries here. And we are going through food pretty quickly with all four of us being home 24/7. So that is what I have planned for Saturday. Let's see, I don't know what I want to use. I think I will use one of these more like subtle animal print ones on the sheet here, just for the meal planning. And I don't exactly know what time our grocery delivery would be on Sunday, so I'm not exactly going to put that down. But for Sunday, obviously I need to put that I am going to be filming my plan with me for the upcoming week, so we will at least get that put in, and then our quarantine for the rest of us ends on Sunday. And if we all stay symptom free and things like that, I can actually go back to work on the 25th. And I think I'll use one of these patterned half boxes for that. Ooh, I'm so looking forward to that. I really, really am. All right, so we'll get that down for, actually, let's move it down here, because I kind of want to put this little letter, don't forget sticker down here. Not that I could actually forget. I definitely would not forget. Okay. I think that that's really it for the week itself. Now for the sidebar, I do want to use, let's see, there's a this week sticker down here. And I think I'm just going to put it at the same height as the headers for the week. I think that looks good right there. And then I kind of want to use the don't forget sticker where the habit part is written over here. Now for my habits for the week, I think that they're pretty much just going to stay the same. That has been working, and the week before I did AM routine, PM routine, hydrate, sleep, unplug, check in with my goals. As you can see, I kind of didn't really fill this in because, we were a little distracted here, and then keep up with my evening skincare. So I'm just going to do the same for this week. And what I do is I just kind of pull the pages out so that they sit on the desk surface, and it just makes it a lot easier to write. All right, so that is it for this week. That is everything for this plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I see like a ton of stickers that are really crooked, so I'm probably gonna fix them as soon as I turn my camera off. But I really do like how this week turned out. It's just beautiful and neutral, and just, I love it. I wish I had ordered a few more of this kit from Christiane Designs. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video.